June 2026 tarot prediction. How is June 2026 going for you? And today we are going to do it based on either moon sign, sunshine or लगन. आप जिस चीज में भी believe करते हो, you can definitely use them. And in this video, it's a part 1. So we are going to do 6 and then there's a part 2. So follow for part 2 to know for your sunshine, moon sign or लगन, how June 2026 is going for you. So let's start with Aries. Aries, how's your June 2026 going to be? So we have this, and we have this. So I do see a lot of action. You see 2 horses and I do see this, and also plus this is a more wands dominated set. So I will definitely say you are wanted to take some kind of action. You might feel very agitated or irritated or aggressive. Either agitated or aggressive, like too much of energy to do something, wanted to do something, and you want to be very fast at it. Actually you don't want to slow down. But my friend, things are right now, I would say mentally you might feel very exhausted also, and physically you might feel very exhausted because you want to try to achieve something, success or something at a very fast pace, and because of that you might burn out yourself totally. So I would say go a little slow, not too much slow, but at a pace in which you're not mentally and physically exhausted. Okay, now let's do for Taurus. How June 2026 is going for Taurus. So this, we have this, and we have this. So I do see, okay, so I see either you're trying to make some kind of connection, prove some kind of feelings to someone, that how you feel towards that person, and you want to communicate about your feelings and communication to someone. And moreover of a communication, it is more like proving yourself, like you are constantly trying to make that person understand how you feel, and how this relationship is for you or anything. If this isn't not in the context of relationship, if I say in another aspect, I would say you want to express your creativity in your work field. You want to do something in your work field, something new. You're not getting the opportunity, you're not getting the chance. Basically, this month, if things were not working out previously, this month you might get an opportunity to prove yourself. Okay, it is not going to be easy. Let me tell you, to show your creativity or something, you have to prove yourself that you are good at what you do, or you can deliver what is being asked of you. Now let's move on to Gemini. Gemini, how is this going to be? Guys, remember one thing, this is a general reading, so please take what resonates and leave what does not. If you want a private reading, please comment below and we'll connect. So Gemini, June 2026, how it is going to be? Oh my goodness. Okay, so one thing in common, Gemini, June 2026 is for you. Don't try to take too much action. Before taking too much of action, plan very well. Plan accordingly. Having your emotions and mind balanced, plan accordingly every single thing that you want to do. Because if you do not do that, I do see that it might get emotionally very intense for you this month. You might not like it if you do not plan very well in your head. So whatever you are choosing, be it in relationship, be it in your work, be it for your health or anything, plan it. Please do proper research. Wanting to do something, just don't jump on the first thing that comes up in front of you. Do some research, see what are the benefits of doing it, or if you want to communicate to someone, before saying that, whatever your words are, rerun in your head once before saying anything to that person. Because king and queen of cups is coming, so it means it has to do a lot with emotions. But again, two of wands is asking me, wait. Okay, my friend. Now let's move on to Cancer. June 2026 for Cancer. Okay, so I see a heartbreak, I see you stuck. So there are 3 things that can happen. So just see what is resonating with you. Number 1, you might feel as if not feeling emotionally satisfied with whatever work you're doing in, or whatever relationship you are in. Or if something was working out for you for a long time, this month is going to be a little saddening for you. You might feel very stuck. You might feel as if you are the victim, nobody's understanding you. You might feel as if nobody is understanding your emotions specifically, and that is going to take a lot of toll on your mental space. You will be constantly thinking and overthinking about all those emotions that you were not able to express to somebody, and all those emotions either you're expressing and still somebody is not getting it. Now, if I go on the career and business perspective, I do see kind of a rift or some kind of a stuckness with your boss or with some of the clients. You want things to move, but you are just stuck with that person because things are not moving. There's no space for that movement, and that's why that can be a little heartbreaking for you. Okay, you need to wait actually. So till now, for almost every uh, sunshine that I have done the reading, it's one thing is very common. Guys, go a little slow, don't go so fast. And slow in the sense that be present in the moment, just whatever comes up in your head and you take the action. No, it's time that you take some, you do something basically to have patience, you know. Let's move to Leo, June 2026, how it's going to be. So I have this, and this. So I do see new opportunities coming in your life, but you're not taking it, be it in work or relationship, because you will be constantly thinking and comparing, and you won't be taking any kind of action. So actually, basically for Leo, I will say go and take action for whatever new things are coming in your life. It is very important for you that you take your actions, okay? Because this new opportunity is coming in, to make you more active, to bring more new emotions in your life. So it can be in relationship or work, career, anything, or your health or money related anything. I would say be grateful that this opportunity is coming in your life and just take your action. So now let's move on to Virgo. So in this video we'll be doing it till Virgo, follow for part 2 for other sunshines, June 2026 for Virgo. Okay, so I do see conflict in your safe space, in your comfort space, or if I talk about your office space, I do also see that having some kind of a rift with somebody who is in a very bossy position, and that person can be very dominating. Because of that, it might be that you might be having some kind of conflict with that person, which can definitely interrupt your comfort space. It can be in home or office or your college life, student life, whatever it is. If specifically I speak about home, I do see that because of too much of show off kind of attitude, trying to make a stable, you might be trying to look in a, you want to look in a certain way in the society. You want to maintain an image of yours in the society, and I see it will be a struggle for you if you do that this month. I would highly recommend you don't do that. Trying to just prove your image in the society, because this combinations obviously point towards that. And also, if this is about some kind of conflict coming in, I would say be aware with whoever is your boss or somebody who's in a dominating position, and be very specific with the words, because this person is like a big manipulator when it comes to words. They know how to manipulate with words. So you have to be very aware when you're dealing with some such kind of people. So if you want me to do any specific reading with the tarot, then please comment below, and please don't forget to watch the part 2. If you know somebody, this video can help them, then please share with them. Thank you.